Sony again, just going to go through our main man overboard safety equipment that we have. So on this boat we have an offshore Dan buoy here. Okay, one of the most important things is being able to see your man overboard once they're in the water. Essentially their life jacket will keep their head above the water. If you've got enough crew, you get somebody to point and look, and that is all they do. Don't take your eyes off the man. So then you're going through your drill, and there'll be a point at which you're going to get fairly close to your man, and that's the point at which you deploy this. So these all have these flags in here. I'm not going to pull that out because they're not very well made, if I'm honest. But once I were to pull that out, the flag would be fluttering, and that section goes up as far as this section goes up, so you can see the height on that. So that's our Dan buoy, which is attached here to our horseshoe buoy, which somewhere has a drogue on it, which has disappeared off down here. You should keep it in the water in the same place. And then we have this emergency light, so give that a tug and on that comes. You might not be able to see it, it's quite bright this afternoon. So once we get close to our man, we're going to deploy the whole lot to our man, and this will enable us to really keep an eye on whereabouts he or she is in the water. Okay, there are two forms of identification on these horseshoe buoys. We've got this number here alongside with the name. So this number here, I believe, is now called the VIN, the Vessel Identification Number. Used to be called the WIN, the Water Craft Identification Number, and before that I think it was called the HIN, it's the Hull Identification Number. So we've got this on main side, and then on the other side you can see we have another horseshoe buoy with an emergency light should that be required as well. So that's our man overboard.